Tanner, Team 1 Sports, down here in sunny Florida. We got our first cold front last night. It's a balmy 63 degrees here, 8 o'clock in the morning. I've got the whole new Miken lineup here to show you. You've seen me hit with this. This is the max load half-ounce model with the Jason Kendrick signature on it. We've hit this one already. This is the new Big Cat, all orange, 1 ounce end load. That's what we're going to be hitting today. And then this is the green, fully balanced version. These are the Freak Platinum from Miken. I'm going to take about 20 swings with the Big Cat now, and you can get an idea of some exit ball speed, maybe a little bit of distance, and we're going to see how it goes. So sit back and enjoy. We're going to keep the tape running. Hopefully I don't miss hit too many balls. Got a little bit under that. That's right about to the fence. That was a low and inside pitch. And I reached it and hit it out on the end of the bat, and it made it almost to the parking lot. That was deep. Should not have swung at that pitch. Short. Still made it out. That's over into center field, and that's out of there too. That was good. That's right up next to that bathroom building that you saw in that other video. It short hopped the wall there. Ooh. That hit the back edge of the parking lot. I think you could probably hear it bounce. This bat's doing extremely well already. We had about maybe about 100, 150 swings on the bat before we started today, just so you know. It's got a great sound to it and a great feel. Nice sharp line drive there. Short pitch, probably should have let that go, but nice line drive, good ball speed off the bat. I missed that. That was a good pitch. Just missed it. Oh, wow. That's all the way across the parking lot. That bounced on the opposite side of the parking lot. That's a 380, 390, somewhere in that range. Ooh. If you notice, I hit that ball a little back in here. It tailed into center field, but still went 350, 360 feet. Bit deep. I made it out into the parking lot too. This bat is extremely forgiving. I'm sure you've noticed I hit that ball down in here on the bat. That one I didn't miss. That hit the bottom side of the building, the bathroom building, which is around 375, 380 over there. That's farther. That one hit on the a baseball field. There's a spectator stand. It hit right at the base of that. Ooh. That's on the other side of the parking lot. That's probably 400 feet where that one hit. Maybe a little bit less. I just missed that. A little too quick. Right next to the fence. Didn't quite make it. Nice base hit. Good line drive. A little bit quick on that. Got it towards the end of the bat. I mentioned before in my previous video about a green transformer. That was to the right of it, but it was past it. And the transformer's around 370, 375, so that ball eclipsed that mark for sure. That was past that transformer. I don't know if you heard that, but that actually hit the bleachers of the field behind us. It was a little bit farther than the one that I hit off the little concession, the observation stand. That might be farther. That actually hit on the other side of the bleachers and short hopped the backstop on the other building. I'm going to measure that. I'm not sure exactly how far that is. I'm going to guess from here at least 375, I would think. It might be a little bit more. That's far. That's out into the parking lot too. All right, we got two more, right, Keith? That was a nasty line drive knuckleball there. One hop the fence. All right, we're going to do the last one here, guys. Whoa. That's out over the lights. Actually, if you heard it, that hit the top of the light tower. I don't know how far that was going to go, but I'm going to tell you I hit it good. Guys, again, you're looking at the best senior bats I've ever hit. Between that max load and the Big Cat, you need to get one. Give me a call. They're going to be available in about 2 weeks. I can pre-order you one and get one right away. Alan Tanner, Team 1 Sports, 561-718-7504. Thank you.